Hello everyone, welcome to part 73 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product detail page, and in this part we are going to show the related products as well as the recently viewed products. So we are going to follow these instructions that you can find under video. So first we are going to show the related products. Related products are those products that belongs to the same category of the product, like this particular product belongs to the t-shirts category, so we are going to show the other t-shirts to the user as well who may be interested in other t-shirts. Okay, so here we are going to show these related products. Okay, and also we are going to work on the recently viewed items that the customers have seen recently. Means if the customer have seen the 3-4 items earlier, then those 3-4 items we are going to show here at the bottom. Okay, but first of all we are going to work on these related products. So let's start. Let's find this instruction, and here we are going to modify the detail function with the related products so that we can fetch the other products of the same category that the user open. Okay, so we are going to modify the detail function in the product controller that is located at the front. So here I will check the detail function. Here it is, and here I'm going to copy this one and get related products. Here I'm going to add this one, get later products, and these later products we are going to return to the blade file, where we are going to add the for each loop, and we'll show these later products here. Okay, so here once again I'm going to search for this section content. We'll open the detail blade file here, and we'll open the section content here. Here you can see, and here it is static right now, but we are going to make it dynamic. And here the complete section content we are going to modify here with the for each loop here, where we are showing the products. Okay, so I'm going to replace it. I'm going to replace the inner part though. Okay, this complete div, and I'm going to replace it with this one, and let's see if it is working fine or maybe some issue. First of all, yes, we are required to check that whether there is any issue is coming or not. Here you can see that some issue is already coming. Undefined array key id it is saying. Okay, so we are going to identify that what issue exactly is coming here. Here it is saying undefined array key id, and here okay, so because here we need to mention here the underscore id instead of the id, so I will make this correction here as well. But first of all I'm going to check whether still the error is here. Yeah, error is now this time in the related parts as well. Okay, so but we are going to modify here. Here we are required to add here underscore id as well. And now yeah, everywhere it must be underscore id, because in MongoDB we don't have any id. Instead of id we are having the underscore id, so make sure that you will not make this silly mistake at your end. Okay, so as we have copied this code from the Laravel 10 series where we have used the MySQL, so that's why this error is coming. Okay, so to save the time we have not done that much complete debugging of the code. Okay, so here what we are required to do, we will replace this complete underscore that id with the underscore id. Okay, so that will work fine, I think. Okay, so here you can see, yes, it's working fine. And here you can see the now we are showing the related products. Customer also viewed products that customer viewed. No, this is not the title of this one. Here we are going to show the title like related product. Okay, this one we are going to modify for that thing. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to here simply will make it copy the complete module once again, so that we can section content. Okay, so this one is also included, and these two complete modules, and even we can add this one as well. Let's see if we can copy and paste so that we can have the two modules here. So let's see. Yes, now it's fine. So first one we are going to use the first one as the related products. Okay, I'm going to open the first one, and here we will mention related products or similar products you may like. Okay, so here you can see uh, related products you may like. Okay, so customer also viewed is the next section that we are going to modify. Okay, here we mention products with same category or anything wording you can modify of your own. Okay, so let's move to the customer also viewed code, so that we can able to update that one as well. So for this one we need to make the separate collection for recently viewed items, because there we are going to save the items what's once the user seen that red t-shirt, we are going to save it in recently viewed items, that collection. Okay, so yeah, like if I will open this red t-shirt, user will that t-shirt will get saved, and if the user will open the blue t-shirt, that blue t-shirt will get saved. Okay, so we are required to create the collection with these columns: id, product id, session id, created at, and updated. Okay, with the model. So I'm going to run this artisan command for my project. I'm going to right click services, new terminal at folder, and here I'm going to run the command. We'll paste this command. Okay, so I'm going to run this one, and it will create both the model as well as the collection. Okay, so after creating this one, then I'm going to open this file, this migration file of this one. Create this one, the name of this one is create recently viewed item. Okay, create recently viewed items table. Okay, and here we are going to modify the columns that we want to create for this one: id, product id, section id. Okay, and timestamps, that is created and updated. Okay, so finally we are going to run php artisan migrate command, so that this collection will get created. Okay, so it has been done. Okay, so we are going to check in our MongoDB. I'm going to refresh our project 11 database. Here I'm going to refresh, and we'll see the new collection. Yes, recently viewed items collection has now come up. Okay, so now we are going to add this one in the detail function for this recently viewed items. This complete code we are going to add in our detail function after get related products. Here we are going to add first one is that we are going to set the session value for the recently viewed item that we can say in our newly created collection. Okay, and then we are going to insert the product details with that session id into that recently viewed uh, item collection, and after that we will pick up all the other product ids that recently we will pick the last four. We will pick the last four items with the same session id. Okay, so that we can pick and can show the user recently viewed items. Okay, so that thing we have done, and finally we are just required to send return these related products as well as the recently viewed items. Okay, so that thing we are required to do, and uh, so we are going to modify it in the detail blade file as well, where we have created that we see we have uh, copied that div. So we are just required to replace this related product with the recently viewed product, so that will show the recently viewed products. So let's see. Okay, so we are required to add the session here in our press controller. Here session, so let's check out, and we need to add this one as well, recently viewed item model as well. Okay, so one more model we are going to add, and one more thing it is saying, call to member function prepare or null. We need to see what is the issue exactly. Okay, so we need to identify that what issue is coming exactly. Okay, we also need to check that if any data have come up here or not. No, not not any data. We need to see what issue is coming. So we need to see that what issue is coming with this issue. I think that maybe the model we have not done that replace that MongoDB class, so that's why this issue is coming here. We are using the MySQL model, so that's why the issue is coming. We forgot to follow one of these step, and we need to replace this model with the MongoDB model, so that's why this issue is coming. Okay, now this issue must not come. Let's refresh, and yes, now it's working fine. And here you can see in recently viewed item, so it will come now. If I will click on this one, then the blue t-shirt must become as recently viewed item. Yes, customer also viewed, so this one has come up. Okay, so if I will go to this blue t-shirt, then red t-shirt will also be displayed here as well. So both t-shirt, because it is not coming because we have already opened the blue t-shirt, so that's why it is not coming. Otherwise it is working fine. It will not show the same products that the user opens, so that's why it is not coming here. Okay, so it's working fine as well. Okay, so now both the things are working, related products as well as the customer also viewed, so both the things are coming fine. Okay, so we are going to move further to the card page. Okay, so please stay tuned for the further videos, further parts, and please make sure to subscribe this channel, Stack Developers channel, to get this complete source code. Okay, with you will get this complete source code as well as the support as well. So it will be great if you will join this channel with this link here. You can find this join link, and you can join this channel by paying the small fees. You can join and can get the complete source code as well as the support. Along with this, you will get the other series as well that we have created with the MySQL. Okay, Laravel 11 with MySQL, Laravel 10 with MySQL, the complete e-commerce website we have built up, complete multi-vendor e-commerce website that we have built up as well, and that you can always find here. You can always open like multi-vendor.stackdeveloper.in that we have created. It's really a wonderful website, and you can find the other things as well. Just open the sidemakers.in, where you will find the all websites that we have created so far with our Stack Developers YouTube channel, and you will get the complete source code of every series. Okay, that will really help you. Okay, so you can follow this one as well. So stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.